Okay, we're going to need to do some shuffling because I need to get this out and this is in the road. First things first. Will she start? No, she won't. She's dead. I left the fucking door down. Oh, it's raining. Okay, right, okay. Run. High focus. Run. Okay, let's get this door open. Oh, man. Turn it on first. Okay, here we go. Oh, god damn. Look at that gold. It just looks so good. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the vlog. You're joining me here today. We're going to be working on the Lexus again, and we've got something pretty special for the Lexus. If you'll just give me 2 seconds. Here we have the new coilovers for the Lexus. Now these are max speeding rods. I've heard good things, I've heard bad things. I want to find out for myself how they actually are. These are the little bit more expensive ones with the adjustable dampening, 10k springs and stuff. So we're going to install these today, and yeah, hopefully they're better than everyone says they are. Okay, so I haven't actually ever worked on a car with this double wishbone setup before, but I'm assuming if I take the bottom bolt out and then the top nuts, I should be able to finagle that out of there. So I'm hoping anyway. So that's what we're going to try. Okay, compressor, I heard you the first time. But yeah, that's what we're going to try first. Okay, so it's a little while later. Honestly, that was a pain in the ass. So, we have the coilover out now, thank fuck, eventually. So what happened is the bottom bolt here actually ended up rounding, and then when I eventually managed to get it out, I used an extractor kit, just funny shaped bolts basically. I eventually managed to get out and then realised, yeah, I was going to have to take the A-arm off, and that was a bit of a pain, so. But I know now, so now I'm going to get one in and I'm just going to max them out, like absolutely slam it and adjust from there. So that's what I'm going to do. So you can see here, I'm just going to wind this right up. Just twisting this into the body is maxing it out, so that's what I'm going to see how low this thing will go. Okay, so we officially have the first coilover on, but it's taken a little while. Now that I know what I'm doing, hopefully the other side will be a lot quicker. So what really got me there was that upper A-arm and that lower bolt just rounding off. That was a pain in the ass. But we're going to head on to the other side now, get a look. Hopefully we'll speed the process up a bit. Okay guys, so about 10 minutes later, and really wishing I time-lapsed that, the second coilover is in. I don't understand how one side can take you like an hour and then this side takes 10 minutes. It's just. But let me give you a brief explanation of what I've done to get the coilover out, because I feel like I've not been very informative in this video, and that's what I try to do. So, we started off by taking the bottom bolt out, which is this bolt here, if you can see it, the one my finger's on, right down here. Okay, so there's a nut and a bolt there. Then we take the top bolts off. Okay, compressor. These three up here. After that, the coilover is loose in there, and we go ahead and we take out this top A-arm, which is this bolt can you see that? This bolt in here, and then the same on the other side. I put my torch over there, that bolt there, and then that just falls out, and then yep, you can get the coilover out, no problem. And then once the coilover's out, new coilover in, reverse the process. Managed to get the third coilover in, but it's getting late. I want to go home, so I'm going to cut this video short. We have managed to get 3 out of 4 on. I'm going to pick that one. I'm going to pick up that last one, get it done as soon as possible. But right now I'm sore, I'm cold, I just want to go home. So the only one we have left to do is this one. We have the rest of them done. The rears turned out to be a bigger pain in the ass than the fronts actually. I wish the rears were a bit more like the front, but as you can see, this side is fucking slammed. So from what I've learned right now is that the fronts don't go so low, but the rears can go low, and that's me lifted it a little bit, and it is definitely rubbing, so I'm going to need to adjust these. This is going to stay in here tonight, yeah, because I can't be asked putting it away. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. We're so close to 500 subscribers, and I'm actually stressing out because the video isn't ready, and neither is the giveaway stuff. So if I hit 500 before by the time this video goes out, or just after it, just please be aware that that video, the special 500 video, might be delayed by a couple of weeks or so, along with the giveaway. So thank you guys so much for subscribing. If you haven't already, please do subscribe, like the video and all that, and I will see you in the next one. Peace, bye.